When I play golf and I would turn on the swing, it was just starting to bother me a little bit, and then I started to get a little bit of a limp. And then it got to be a sharp pain, and then it got to be, I need to have this looked at. Our son works in the medical field, and I asked him to check with his colleagues who's hot and who's not. Dr. Sam's name come up several times. When he walked in and shook my hand, I knew he was the real deal. And there are very few real deals out there in this industry. He examined me, and we agreed that the surgery definitely needed to be done. He would decide then if it needed to be a full replacement based on what he found, and it was a full knee replacement. It's great. I mean, no pain. It's wonderful. The process was good. Working with these people was excellent. You couldn't have choreographed it any better if you wrote it in a book.